Logo, Beltone. Text, set up the phone link to. Charge and turn on the device. A charging cord connects to a port on the bottom. A battery icon shows fully charged. A light at the top of the device turns from red to green. The charging cord disengages. A person presses a button on the side of the phone link to turn it on. Text, pairing with mobile phone. A cover from the base slides off and a pen tip presses a button on the front of the device while time passes swiftly on a timer. An option appears for hearing aid phone. The timer stops at 1:44 and 52 seconds. Text, pairing with a set of hearing instruments. The hearing aids sit next to the device. A cover from the base slides off and a pen tip presses a button on the front of the device while time passes swiftly on a timer. The timer stops at 15:95 and musical notes appear next to the hearing aids. Text, placement of the phone link to. An illustration shows a phone link to on a person's chest, then an X. The phone link to connects with a clip and a check mark appears. A line shows alignment with the phone link to the wearer's chin. Text, optimal voice pickup range. 10 to 30 centimeters. They press a phone icon button on the front of the phone link to.